welcome back to my channel Appopedia. I'm Ratnapriya. So we are covering Flow Builder from the Trailhead course. So last video we cover up that the first topic, flow resources and variable. Then I discussed somehow I solved the Q's questions and that was fast. If you wanted to click the correct answer on the Q's, go and watch the previous video. So in this video we will create a variable. So firstly log in your playground. So I already logged in. This is the hands-on. If you don't know about how do we go, just click that hands-on or and then it will open it. Any of the thing you can create. And if you don't know about how to create your playground on, I have the video on it. Go and watch the previous I think so some videos are there on that how to create a playground. I will give that link in the description as well. So let's move to the task. Okay, so this they are saying that create a new variable. Okay, so for that we have to create a new flow. So now we have to go into the setup, and then search for a flow. Now let me search for a flow. Just type this one, flows. Okay, yeah, it came. So now it came. Now we have to click in the new flow and then let it load first. Now we have to set that according to that we have to select a screen flow. Let's select and then create it. Okay, there is other options as well for the creating the flow builder. Then we will see later on according to the course. Okay, now we have to click on the new resources. Now select the resources as a variable because we are creating a variable. Okay, now they are saying for a click to be managed. We don't know for the manage, that is the manage thing that we have to click for the new resources. And API name we can keep variable API just for sake of thing. I don't have any name in my mind right now, so description don't needed. Now let's keep for the I think so let's keep pick list for, and also I allow multi values, and then outside the flow and inside the flow where you want it to be available this part, there you have to keep. So they are saying for the record variable, check the object which recorded you play to be stored availability for the outside. So this one we clicked. Okay, it's all about that allow the multiple values. For that reason we checked it. And the data type, there is so many other data types as well, and we already if you read that the course properly, then you will understand all this. Okay, now let's skip for the both one. Okay, and then done. So in this way we can create a new resources. For this resources we have the options for a flow to be add. Okay, that we will see in the next course. So let's move to the, so I will solve this cues in the next video. Stay tuned with me, and I will make already a short note for the flow builder, that I will keep the link and the PDF link value in the description. Go and check it out. So bye bye, subscribe to my channel.